church. Sometimes I get stoned in my backyard, lay off in the tall grass so my view is the stars. I think about nothing, get to clear my thoughts from all.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. We are going to do a funny animal compilation. It is New Year's Eve, and I got my little buddy here. We're gonna watch some funny animals. What do you think, bub? You gotta talk right here. Say okay, Dad. Say you gotta talk. He's not gonna talk. I bet we can make him laugh though. Oh, what do we got? All right, you ready? You can't laugh, okay? No, you can't laugh. You ready? Ready? Can I hit play? Hit that button right there.
This one?
Yes, sir. Oh.
This dedicated monkey teacher is preparing for his geometry lesson.
I lost.
Big Core would like to know.
Well, I mean, he's helping, right?
Devoted employees.
That dog's trying to go home.
When none of you wants to be the rope thrower,
Would you skip off of an elephant's trunk? Oh, he did a backflip. What?
This beluga is not smoking. He is creating art under the sea.
Oh, look, he's blowing bubbles. See it? Or rings, not bubbles. Dumbass. Look at that.
They're bubbles too.
Two types of people are illustrated well here: the extroverts and the introverts.
You gonna go play in some ice?
No.
What? Oh my gosh. He talked to everybody.
Synchronized swimming must have been heavily
Oh, that's cool.
inspired from these fish.
Did you see him all come in?
I look like.
Look!
It looked like one of those balls where you go.
You are not allowed to talk unless you get in this camera frame.
He's literally doing a push up.
Oh, he's doing push-ups.
Like
Why walk when we can dance to our destination?
It looks like Roscoe, doesn't it?
That dog's gonna get ran over.
No, he's not gonna get run over.
He was in the road.
He's silly puppy, huh?
The dude said.
That monkey just stole his Gatorade.
He said, "I am thirsty. Leave me alone." This isn't very funny.
Ivan thinks it's funny. You just got jacked by it. I think it's a chimp, actually. I
How
don't
my
know.
mood goes when Monday is coming closer.
Waddle, waddle. And you waddle away, waddle, waddle.
Oh, he's trying to
How
help.
could a puppy this tiny contain that much amount of love and care?
Oh, that was cool, huh?
This will be
Roscoe
my
would have just drugged the chair
if
away.
I'm ever invited to sit on the front row of fashion
Roscoe would
shows.
drug the chair away and then take it.
Fish. I thought that was part of the tentacles.
Not some weird jellyfish.
Seeing one's crush
an
walk
octopus.
by and immediately trying to hide in
love
the
when they do
background.
It's so cool.
I wish I could camouflage like that. That'd be so cool. You uncomfortable?
Look, if you didn't see his eyes and his tentacles, you wouldn't know what it was.
Here, let me take this off. Holy bad hair day.
Just one lick,
He said,
and now the lizard's tongue
"Just like
can't
the gecko
stop
guy from
sticking.
State Farm."
If you look very close, you can see my eyes.
When
Oh.
parents aren't home,
I'll look here in a
you'll
minute, bud.
become the commander to everyone in the house.
Remember when Tubby used to chase the chickens?
Yes.
Stupid dog. Oh, that duck's fixing to mess that dog up.
The driver should be proud that his car has been chosen by the bears for their next adventure.
Is he getting in the car?
He's in the car.
He said, "I'm driving."
He goes, I am
That's in
driving.
Canada.
No, that's a... That tag is an American tag. I don't
That's the
know.
spirit.
Maybe Minnesota or
No
something.
matter how bad the day is, we should just.
Looks like Roscoe when they let him outside. He just spins forever. And now he's dancing.
It's like that that monkey from?
Look at all the dang dolphins. Goodness gracious.
Can I do one next?
That's not funny.
Yeah. There's like
That's actually
100
really cool.
dolphins there. That's awesome.
The
Uh-oh.
security
God.
at the zoo will also help
Can you
customers to move their car
An
out of
elephant
the
just
park.
walking up to your car, moving you out of the way.
I would be so mad. It is not a toy, sir.
It's really funny. I feel bad for the person. Aw.
Aw, they want a hug.
They're probably leaving
They're
each other.
You're watching an expert in walking on sand illustrating his techniques.
He's like, please help me.
No, he just figured out how to walk up dirt. Boink, there he goes.
Now he's walking down.
What is that?
I bet that's a hat.
cat.
Oh no, it's a cat. I didn't even see the cat.
Oh, it's just not
Find
enough
it.
to stop
You didn't
this
get to see
kid
it
from
all.
sleeping.
He just went back to bed. Oh, this dog's just gonna go
He's
out of
gonna
the boat. Think he's gonna go over?
Yeah.
Or
He's gonna
she?
get ran over.
Oh no.
This baby bat looks like fresh buns
Those
in
are
these
bats.
leaves.
Yeah,
Fluffy.
But they can bite
I
you.
mean,
that's cool, huh?
they're yellow.
This turtle is going to have his shell
just
cleaned
floating.
today at the spa.
He's like
That's
that turtle
awesome.
from Nemo.
Uh-huh.
He's like our old turtle.
Yep, the little fishies are cleaning the show. We did not have a turtle like
Sometimes you
that.
try
We had a
to hide
pond turtle.
something,
Yeah, I
but
know.
Everybody knows.
We let him
because the
go.
glass
He's got the fish
is
squished up against it.
cooperative.
I see his mouth.
Num num num, delicious.
Look at
Wait,
it. He's like, stop
That's
it.
kind of like the little buzz guy
Yeah?
from Nemo.
What's easy won't be fun. This
Oh,
dude
that
has to
tricky
show
little
his
dog.
friends how flexible
He's
he
just
is.
like.
I mean, they both got out, right?
Excellent disguise skill will be your unfair
And that
advantage.
dog was climbing over, and then that other dog just went
Oh, it's a butterfly.
through the fence.
That's cool.
He said, hello.
Oh, that's a fat cat.
I want it. It's
It looks
a
like a
Your
cat.
own tail is your most favorite
Is it
toy.
tail? No.
That is a fat cat.
The
It looks like a
photographers
cheetah.
can take a break today thanks to these helpful assistants.
What are those, beavers? No.
No, not beavers.
Well, we don't know where beavers live.
We got a beaver dam
Humans
behind the
would rather
house,
be
huh?
They said
Yeah.
good night.
Then
Oh, look
disturb
at the
the
lions.
comfort of these lions.
People are like move.
Oh, she just lays down too. Ooh, fish.
Their noses. He's yawning.
These vicious smiles are
Oh, they're
just
smiling.
contagious.
That's creepy.
Smile. What the hell was that? Is it a water dog? It is. Or a newt? Something like that?
Don't eat it
Newt, like
again.
a
You can
really
be
big
weak
newt.
as long as you have many teammates.
I was gonna
He said, I call him mom for backup.
Mother. Children, this is your assignment. Do it now and do it well.
Ooh, what is this? Oh, what the heck was that?
It's a bear.
Chased by the
that's
Oh, that's a boar. Good lord. That was a big gate. Holy
This is
crap.
your elephant in the
How?
room.
How?
You
That
should
is an
talk about
elephant
it
in a
right
house.
now.
What is going on?
He's
That's
gonna
a school. It
break.
looks like a school.
He's gonna break it.
Excuse me, sir. Are you going? Oh my god.
Oh my God! Why couldn't that thing just get?
Did he jump off? I missed it. Did he jump off? Oh, I can't even go back.
You watch Preston?
It's okay. You can go back later.
For the octopus,
I don't know how they
when there's
do
a
that.
space, there's a way.
They can go through. Little
They can go through anything.
Literally, there's this hole about this big, like as tiny as it can be. Went
Chickens.
through it. Mother, don't.
The puppy doesn't mind being a little
Aw.
chicken today to enjoy this warmth.
video you're watching.
Go. That's who I'm subscribed to, son. That's not my video. That's who I'm subscribed to.
Everything will become
It's a
See,
frog.
Donut
when
Operator.
you're as slippery as
That's
a
whose
frog.
channels I watch.
Wait, so you don't watch mine?
That's a big
That's
snake.
cute. But did you see
I
the?
saw it. He says I want some.
Thought I
Aw.
would laugh, but I got feels instead. Dogs are truly caring and protective
Aw.
of their loved ones.
That's cool. That's a
Yes.
nice puppy, huh?
He has a friend.
Where's Roscoe is like that?
Roscoe just eats
Fish
everything that
go
hits the
against
floor.
flow like this.
What is
That's
that?
a fish.
That's salmon.
Inspiration for us to dare to be different.
Those are salmon. They're,
Oh, I
they're
see 'em.
swimming upstream to where they were born, so they can give birth and then die. That's a fat cat too. Those are two fat cats. That one's asleep or mad.
He's mad. Look at him. Look at him.
He's like, "Don't talk to me."
He said, I don't like
Oh, he is so mad. Hush.
I think he's mad because the girl's not hugging on him.
Probably. It's a ferret.
me when
Never
I'm
thought
tired.
being small
those go under
could
cock
be
and bite
such
your
a
feet?
big advantage.
They bite your feet, but they don't hurt. They just like nibble at you and
It's
tickle
like
you.
this. It's like this.
What is this dog doing?
Military. When they just came out of the military. Hello, friend. It's good to see you.
I dare to
No.
smack
Oh no, they're
him.
fixing to
You are
fight.
only aggressive when you know your best bro is beside you.
Okay, I thought they were playing. They're fixing to fight.
He's just like,
We need a name
Oh
for
my
this
gosh.
kind of
No,
Oh my
he-
god, that's like the birds
We
out there at
can't
the mall by
feel or
Buffalo
see
Wild
anything
Wings.
yes,
but
but
No.
that's a lot.
He's,
That's a ton of birds. Goodness gracious.
look at the car on the
Which
tree.
animal
Oh, they're
was your
sleeping.
favorites? Leave us a comment down
He said to
below.
watch me, I am
Thanks for
sitting
watching.
alone.
Can we watch another one?
Well, that monkey is fixing to hit that lion with a stick.
There's this one where this baby is like, Anthony,
Hey, talk later.
no.
All right, look at the camera. Did you enjoy it?
Mm-hmm.
It wasn't super funny, but it was funny enough, right? We'll have. You want to do some more here in a little bit?
No.
You gonna watch another one with me?
Mm-hmm.
All right. So we're gonna end this one, okay? But you have to look in that camera and talk in this speaker or this microphone, and you have to tell everybody, "See you next year." Say bye bye. Thanks for tuning
Bye-bye.
in. Say see you next year.
See you next year.
Hey, say like the video, share it, subscribe.
Like the video, share, and subscribe.
Deal? Oh, dude, you're gonna take my job from me. All right, everybody, wave and say bye. Say bye bye.
Bye-bye.